you cutie. So we picked up Minky from the vet. I don't know how well you can hear me, but yeah, she looks like a wet rat because she was sitting in the litter box, so they had to like shower her. But she's so cute. Yep, time to go home. Oh, baby. Kind of looks like a naked rat. She's using her fountain. You love your fountain, baby. Everyone, this is Minky. She's a British short hair. She doesn't like to be held. I don't think if you can. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, becoming a cat mom is one of the hardest things ever because she doesn't want to be held. Okay, say bye bye. Becoming a cat mom is one of the hardest things I've ever done. Hi, yes. All of her is like because Minky got diagnosed with FIP. I don't know how to explain it, but basically her treatment is for 84 days. So the day that Minky will be FIP free will be on the 20th of September. Like, do you know how long that is? And whilst she's like having FIP and everything, her immune system is very weak, and that causes a lot of issues. And therefore, every day is a new day with her. I swear, there's something new, because some days she's vomiting all over the place, some days she has diarrhea, some days she's peeing everywhere, and it's just a lot. And I didn't realize how much work this cat would be, or just how much work a cat would be in general. Yeah, but she's so cute though. Yeah, so that's Minky, everyone. I think that's why it took me so long to introduce her, because she's still sick and it's still like taking over my life basically. I feel like a newborn mom, literally. She's not even that young, she's like a year plus. Aw, she's so cute right now. Open this. We're stronger Melayu roots. Yeah.
So I'm the least man.
Yeah.
Look, Kaka's doing it faster than me.
Yeah. The Filipino is beating us.
We have to like
Filipino wins.
I think put there inside the container.
Dah pernah. Dah buka dah.
So he was successful?
No.
I mean successful in up to...
There's nothing successful
There's like
about
a line
that.
there. We see a
He was
line.
faster than... The durian is smaller. Yes. Can half an hour be enough for you, Kes? Another half an hour we give you?
Yeah.
Half an hour for one durian.
Can't please give up, Kes?
Oh, let's go.
Because I don't wanna like fling it open, you know?
Okay, sure. Got it. Yay.
Okay, I'm done for it.
Is it nice, bro, that one?
Yep. Oh, it's good. The yellow one.
Look at this baby. Yeah, this is good.
That's such a small.
Yeah.
Is it
Really
really
good.
good?
Yeah, quite a small one.
Really?
Oh, my hands are.
Look at the green smiley face one.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I'll get the flower one. Thank you.
Thank you.
I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything in my life, you changed my story.
Hi. Let's show you around. What's your hit? Okay, so this is the place that we're staying at. What do you call this? What do you call it? I don't know, whatever. Check in there and then you go up from there. Then the dive is over there.
So cute and quaint. This is tempat lepak. The dive. That one. So you stay here. Tomorrow morning, go there to dive.
Things fade away, but I'm fighting here to make sure that's not true. No, and I know it's hard.
Your turn.
Oh, okay. I thought it's reversed.
I love
Yeah.
across the ocean for you.
It's so dumb.
Wrong play lah, wrong play. You didn't know what the use of the card was.
Give me just one chance.